We'll guide you through how to increase your Gumroad revenue using the latest strategies for 2025 and beyond. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to gumroad.com, log into your account, and head over to the dashboard on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see the overall performance of your products, but we're going to optimize this further. Next, click on the Products tab. This is where you can enhance your listings. One effective way to boost revenue is by improving your product descriptions. Make sure they are clear, engaging, and highlight the value of your product. Use compelling language and incorporate customer testimonials if you have them. Then, go to the pricing section under each product. Consider experimenting with different price points. Sometimes a slight increase can actually lead to higher sales if the perceived value is there. Another powerful tool is the Offers feature. Set up discounts or bundle deals which can entice buyers to purchase more. You can find this option under the Marketing tab. Make sure to promote these offers through Gumroad's built-in email marketing tools, which you can access under the Audience tab. Consistently engaging with your audience by sending newsletters or updates can significantly boost sales. Finally, don't forget to integrate your Gumroad account with your social media platforms for wider reach. Sharing your products on platforms like Instagram or Twitter can drive more traffic to your Gumroad page. By using these strategies, you can effectively increase your Gumroad revenue. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.